Good afternoon, Jessica. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jessica Roquero, 43 years old, married with 2 kids, aged 11 and 16. I have work experience in Singapore for 6 years and with Indian family with 2 kids, aged 9 and 11. My duties as a domestic helper is taking care of kids, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cleaning the house.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband come.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, my brother.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I always wake up 5 in the morning and sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother, I am responsible. My priority is my children, and I am sure that I will give them the best education and feed them.
Are you a hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
As a disciplinarian mother, in fact, I teach my children to become independent and do the household chores.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, ma'am. I talk to them slowly in a good manner, and I will tell them to behave. Kids must behave, and I will let.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I will manage my time in working. I will ask my employer if they let the children watch the TV kids, and I will let them watch with guidance, and I will do my work smoothly.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like or don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My previous employer is very strict, ma'am, but they let me do my work as long as I finish all my household chores.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the garden, it flies so high. In the meadow, it flies so low. Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Thank you. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
Natural, ma'am.
Thank you, Jessica. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.